Hey everyone, so I got my typewriter made of Knex to actually type the letters to spell typewriter. Totally looks like nothing at the moment, but I will show you what's going on. Here's the typewriter. I have a cardboard mandrel, actually construction paper wrapped around the Knex. I'm just sitting right here, and this is a little 100-year-old piece of fabric. That's just coated with ink. And here's the first attempt. I said, this is a type, TYPE. And now it says TYP, I guess E's right there, WRITER, and there's all underlined by accident. I guess that was just mismatched characters. We can see it clearly is trying to write typewriter. Thank you.